Very good evening, everyone. So, dear friends, this is the second day, and today, as per our commitment, we are going to learn some practical approach. आज कुछ थोड़ा सा और बात करेंगे इस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में. So today we are going to learn some practical approaches. So this topic is PNST, peripheral nerve stimulation technique. Actually, in the different way, we are already using this technique in the different way. हम इसको पहले से यूज करते ही चले आ रहे हैं. We are using this technique since long time. Suppose if you are practicing scalp acupuncture, okay, then you are putting point on the scalp. If you are practicing sujok acupuncture, you are putting point in the sujok, in the fingers. So why you are putting point in the sujok? What is happening when you put points in the sujok? जब आप पॉइंट को सुजोग में लगाते हैं तो क्या होता है? If we are putting the point in the sujok, how it is working? So if you ask from the fourth person, okay, explain how the sujok is working, then one person will tell, okay, this is the microsystem. Like whole body can be represented or implant in one finger or palm. So it is sujok. Then another person can ask you, okay, how can you prove it? What is the connection from here to here? What is the connection? So what another person can explain this thing, okay, maybe there is a connectivity. Something is coming from here and connecting to certain body part. If I am treating the eye points, how it is working here? So there may be some connectivity, there's maybe some energy, there may be some nerves. So some person may explain you there is a nerve, and all the nerve in the periphery, they are called peripheral nerves. So the nerves are coming from the fingers. So if you put the point of the eyes, it is working on the eyes. If you put the point of the throat, it is working on the throat. How it is working? Because one peripheral nerve is coming from that part and reaching to that area. Wonderful. Okay. So how is scalp acupuncture working? We are putting the point here. How the scalp acupuncture is treating the paralysis? How the scalp acupuncture treating the knee pain? What is the connection of the scalp with the knee? So again, the same explanation. The scalp represents a complete human body. And some person may explain, okay, sound is low. I will see. Give me 1 minute. Some sound input volume speaker. Okay, now it is okay. Now it is okay. Sound, what is now? What is the condition now? Clear? Much better. Okay. Automatically adjust the microphone. Now it is okay. Now clear. Clear? Absolutely clear. Shall we proceed now? Thank you. Fine. If you find any difficulty, so put in the chat box. Fine. So my question from you, how the scalp acupuncture working? So you may explain, maybe there is some nerve is moving and working on the knee. So it is working for the knee. Very good explanation. Okay. Then how ear acupuncture working? Same explanation. There is some connection of the ear with the particular part like a knee. In the same way, there are many correspondence systems. Scalp acupuncture, sujok acupuncture, wrist acupuncture, face acupuncture, nose acupuncture, eye acupuncture, lots of acupuncture. So what exactly doing in this PNST? First, we are doing the general treatment. So we are stimulating some point of the sujok. We are treating some point of the scalp. We are treating some point of the facial acupuncture. We are treating some point of the nose acupuncture. So in this way, even we can add more microsystem. We can add ear, we can add malleolus, we can add jaw, we can add multiple microsystems. So that is the basic step. So what is the meaning of basic step? We don't know what is the problem. You have come in my clinic, doctor, I want treatment. Okay, come. Let me do first basic treatment, whatever the problem is. So what is basic treatment? Basic treatment means we are stimulating some general point. So like we starting from the Jing-Weil point, the Jing-Weil point. Why we start from the Jing-Weil? Because all the nerves are ending on the Jing-Weil points, all the nerves. So I will show you how. Then we are after the Jing-Weil point. So first step will be Jing-Weil point. I'm agree because the Jing-Weil point is really very good. The Jing-Weil point means the 5 Jing-Weil point in the 5 finger, then 5 and 5, 10 Jing-Weil point. Then in the leg also 10 Jing-Weil point. So we are having 20 Jing-Weil point. And I will tell you one thing. Just a one Jing-Weil point is very good. I will tell you how. Let's see here. Just a one Jing-Weil point is very good many times. I will tell you. Look at here. So we are stimulating the 20 Jing-Weil point, huge number, huge number. It's a not an ordinary number. So look at here. Since the long time I am telling everyone, suppose someone is getting the attack of coronavirus. If someone is getting attack of coronavirus or COVID-19, just 2 points, SI1 and urinary bladder 67, only 2 Jing-Weil point will make your defense system stronger, will make your defense system stronger. So the SI1, if you see the SI1, the SI1 point will be on the fingertip. Look at here. So this is the location of small intestine 1, and this is the Jing-Weil point of the small intestine meridian. So if we press the SI1 and with this, we are pressing the urinary bladder 67. So look at the bladder meridian. So this is the location of urinary bladder 67. So if you are pressing the 2 point, one is SI1 and another point is bladder 67, just a 2 Jing-Weil point, it will make your defense system very stronger. Then you will ask how and why. So answer is this, because this is clearly given. The outermost defense system is made by Taiyang. So outermost shield of the body is made by Taiyang. Taiyang means SI and UV. So we are stimulating the SI1 and UV67. These are the emergency point. These are the Jing-Weil point. So it will shield your body and will make you and will keep all the disease away. Number 2 thing. Just you stimulate the SI1, a single point. The SI1 is the single point. Just you stimulate this single point and you will see you are feeling much better in your knee pain with the single point. I have seen many patients, just one pressure with this probe. Just we are doing the pressure on the location of SI1. And you will see very good in 2 things. Number 1, if you press the SI1, you will see very good. Number 1, the chest pain or heart pain will go away. And number 2, it is very good for knee pain of the opposite side. Knee pain of the opposite side. So just think only 2 points can do this much job. Then what about the 20 Jing-Weil point? It is a huge number. So we will stimulate all the Jing-Weil points that is found on the fingertips, Either this is the small intestine 1 or the triple wormer 1 or the large intestine 1. There are three Jingle points of the yang meridian. Other than this, if we talk about the yin, so there are, this is the heart 9, the Jingle point of the heart, this is the pericardium 9, the Jingle point of the pericardium, and the thumb we are having lung 11. This is the Jingle point of the lung. Now, do you know the lung 11 point? The single lung 11 point is the point of whole lung parenchyma. Whole lung parenchyma. So you are doing the prickling on the lung 11 and it is working for whole lung parenchyma. What a wonderful job of the lung 11. So suppose someone has got the infection in the lung, you have to stimulate the lung 11, and we have experienced many times that lung 11 is one of the very great points for the throat infection because of influenza, because of any common cold. The lung 11 is the very good point for common cold and influenza in this way. So what is our job? We have to stimulate all the Jingle points found in the fingertips. Then the question comes, it's very simple to search the Jingle point because in the traditional acupuncture, all the Jingle points has been given very clearly, all the Jingle points. But what I will tell you one thing. Take all the fingers, and you can press both the side, either this side or that side. Then you will ask why other side? Because if you study the different author, so some author also has taken the Jingle point here, and some other author have taken here as well. Some author has taken this side, some author taken this side. Like if you study the Dr. Bol has taken all the sides which is left by other author. So it is become very easy for us. Why easy? Now we have to stimulate all the nail corner, both side of nail corner from one to last. Start from the thumb, then do the index finger, then do in the middle finger. So starting from the thumb, then middle index finger, then middle finger, then ring finger, then small finger. So we are stimulating both sides of the thumb. Look at here now. So look at this thumb. Okay, so we know what we know. We know the lung 11 is here. Lung 11 is this side. Okay, point 1 chun away from the nail corner, little this side. But Dr. Bol has told this side. So why to get confused? You can take the both side. So you can take the lung meridian as well as the lymph meridian. Because one side we are having lung meridian, other side we are having lymph meridian. So lung meridian is good for lungs and the lymph meridian is good for lymph drainage in the same way. In the index finger also, we can do points on the both corner. On the one side, we know the point of Lord, but on the other side also some other point has been taken by some other author. So right now, what we have to do, go very simply. What is simply? Stimulate this point 1 to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Stimulate this point 1 to 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then stimulate this point 1 to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then stimulate this point 1 to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then coming in the middle finger. In the middle finger, stimulate both the corner. Then we can stimulate this point on the inner side. 1, 2, 3. And on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Then the ring finger. 1, 2, 3. Then the other side, 1, 2, 3. Then the small finger, 1, 2, 3, and this side, 1, 2, 3. Even these single point has proved very effective for many treatment. Like you can try. What you can try, if someone is having knee pain, just to try one single point, that is small intestine 1 on the opposite side. Just to try single point. Then you will find how the single point is working. The condition is this: there should be pain in the medial side of the knee. For the lateral side, we are having some other point. If someone is having throat infection, just you stimulate the single point, lung 11, and see the result. Try this and see the effectiveness of gingival point. Okay. In the same way, we have to go in the feet. In the same way, we will go in the feet and we will stimulate the gingival point of the feet. उसी तरह से हम पैरों में जाकर पैरों के gingival point को भी stimulate कर देंगे. So look at the feet now. So look at the feet here. So this is the location of bladder 67. The bladder 67 is the very wonderful point. Just a single point, do lots of movement in the genital part. Just stimulate one bladder 67, it do lots of movement in the genital part. Yeah, definitely we are also doing the bleeding, but in this technique, what we are going to discuss, we have to just do the prickling. We just have to do the acupressure or stimulation without the needle. Because why I feel this therapy is very good, because since many times I feel there are many persons who want to do the treatment, but they are scared with the needle. So now we are having option. We can put the needle or we can do the treatment. So even this is the toothpick. Look at this. This is the toothpick. Even we can stimulate the point with the help of toothpick. And toothpick is very easily available everywhere. So right now I want to go without needle. This is my main intention. This course I will take without the needles, because we are doing many courses of the needles. So now look at this image. Now in this image, this is the bladder 67, and here we are having one another point. We know that. What is the name? The name is gallbladder 44. Here we are having one another point. Here, that is stomach 44. So in this way we are having multiple points. Even we are having the spleen 1, liver 1, and kidney 1 is in the bottom. But the branch of the kidney 1 coming here in the inner corner. So this becomes kidney 1. So what I tell you once again, do the stimulation of both the corner, starting from the thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how can you do the stimulation? Number 1, then number 2, then number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. In this way, there is no fixed sequence right now. Right now, we are making the sequence as per our own logic, but just we are starting from the thumb. There is no sequence given anywhere so far. So we can start the stimulation from here. Even the kidney 1 is one of the best point. We know the kidney 1 is the one of the best point. If we stimulate in the bottom, it is also the gingival point. The kidney 1 is single point. It is very good to remove the gas, acidity, and indigestion. The kidney 1 is very good point. I know means one day one patient was crying in the night 2 a.m. with the pain of appendicitis, the attack of appendicitis. He was also gone through with this pain few months earlier, but suddenly in the night he got this pain, and we were very much away from the hospital. So just we have worked on the kidney 1 and we have seen the very good results. Then I was keep on thinking that how the kidney 1 is working. So there were two things came in my mind. One, kidney 1 itself is a very good point. The another thing is this: if you look at the location of kidney 1, so the kidney 1 is in between the second and third metatarsal bone. And if you go on the opposite side, that is stomach 43. And stomach 43 is the magical point for gas, acidity, indigestion, and appendicitis. So the kidney 1 itself is a very good point. So when we are pressing this point, this is very good point for the unconscious patient. This is a very good point for any emergencies. So now the first step of PNST treatment is stimulate all the gingival point, 10 in the hands and 10 in the fingers. And 1 to 3 times is enough. The question, whether we can stimulate more time? The answer is this: definitely. There is no, like, you can go for more times, but that is enough, because the single stimulation on 20 points also going to take enough time. So the one prickling on the 1 point is enough. Then you keep on proceeding in this way. So this was the first step. I hope you understood. If you have understood, then I will proceed further. क्या ये बात सबको समझ में आ गई? Got it? Yes. Perfect. Like if we discuss about the gingival point, then it also become a very huge topic, because we know the spleen 1 and the liver 1 is the wonderful point for genitals. Spleen 1 and liver 1. Spleen 1 and liver 1 are the very good point for the brain and memory. Spleen 1 and liver 1. Stomach 45 is very good point for the acidity and burping sensation. So even if we talk about the gingival point, we can see a very treasure, like too much. There are two good points of the gingival point. So what is first? Take the probe and stimulate all the gingival point. Stimulate all the gingival point. And this technique is very old technique. But see, every time there are some minds, they are very scientific, like Dr. Nagata. There are some person, they are having very mind, like inventing mind. They invent some new technique of stimulation, like points are already given there, but they have taken the points and stimulating by the toothpick or by the acupressure probe. Now, so in this way, so first step. Now we are moving to the step number 2. Now we are moving to the step number 2. भाई आप ये बताइए कि आपको सिर्फ माउथ अल्सर का ट्रीटमेंट सीखना है कि थेरेपी सीखना है? तो मैं तो आपको सब बताना चाहता हूं. आप सिर्फ माउथ में छाले का ट्रीटमेंट पूछना चाहते हैं. आई वांट टू टेल यू एवरीथिंग एंड यू आर आस्किंग only one treatment. I don't mind to give you one treatment. So look at here now. So, मम्मी का टैब दे दो दूसरा. मम्मी का टैब. So now we are moving to the next point. So the next point will be, also very much effective. So the first, in the basic treatment, the first step is gingival point. 10 in the hands 10 in the feet. And what to do? Just press these points. One to three times. Why? Acupressure probe or toothpick or any object, any other object, which, and remember one thing, do not try to give pain to the patient. Like we see more pain, more gain. It is not like that. This is the very simplest technique. We have to go step by step. In this technique, there is no such thing like a more pain and more gain. Got it? See, we have just started. We have just started. Okay, the treatment. I'm not telling you the gingival point only we do in the PNST. PNST is a little big. I have just covered one step. Now let me move. So I am going to the step number 2. Now step number 2, press all wave margins. Wave margins. So look at in this image. The second step will be, so first step will be all the gingival point. We have multiple gingival point, the fingertip point in the fingers and the toes point. The second, so this is the first step. We can see in this image. In the bottom of feet, we are having kidney 1. Then this is the spleen 1, working for the spleen and pancreas. This is the liver 1, working on the liver. This is the stomach 1, working for the stomach. This is the gallbladder 1, working on the gallbladder. And this is the bladder 1, working on the bladder. Not only this, look at the fingers. This is the lung point. This is the point of large intestine. And this is the point of heart and pericardium. This is the point of circulation, heart and small intestine. So now we are coming to the step number 2. The step number 2, now the most important step. The step number 2 is very much effective step. In the step number 2, we have to stimulate the wave margins. Stimulate the wave margins. अब स्टेप नंबर 2 में हमें क्या करना होगा? स्टेप नंबर 2 में हमें wave margins को stimulate करना है. So these are the wave margins. Look at here. So why to stimulate the wave margin? What is the importance of wave margins? So look at here. Suppose this is the microsystem. What is the microsystem here? So this is the microsystem. You can do the imagination of whole body here like this. You can do that. I'm telling you once again here so that you can understand very clearly. So we can do the imagination of head region here, head and neck. So this is the head and neck. Then middle body here, then lower body here. So I will write, that will be better. So you can see clearly. So from here, we can treat the upper body. From here, we can treat the middle body. And from here, we can treat the lower body. Okay, so let's see now. What we are doing, whether we have done something like this, yes, I will tell you. This is the wonderful point of the upper body. Upper body means head to chest region. If someone is suffering with cough and cold, if someone is suffering with the neck pain, neck sprain, this point will work. The second point is good for middle body. The meaning of middle body, the middle part of the body, like stomach region, gas, acidity, indigestion. This is very good for the middle body. And this is very good for the lower body. So if we put the point here, even the acupuncture is putting the point here for the lower back pain. But right now, we have to praise the Babe margins. So we have to praise the 4 Babe margins here. And remember, how will we praise? So look at in this image. So we will start from the corner of thumb here. This is the first Babe margin. Then Babe margins means these gaps, these are the Babe margins. These are called Babe margins. So we will stimulate these Babe margins. So Babe margin number 1, Babe margin number 2, Babe margin number 3, and Babe margin number 4. So we are having 4 Babe margin in the right hand, 4 Babe margin in the left hand, in the same way in the feet. So this will be our second step. So look at here, how will we do? So the second step will cure many diseases. You will start the basic treatment. Even you don't know what is the problem of the patient, but you will see. Before starting the main treatment, patient is telling you, doctor, I am feeling much energetic. My whole body becomes so light. So look at my hand. So Babe margin means this gaps. These are the Babe margins. इनको कहते हैं Babe margins. इनको बीच के जो gaps हैं, इनको Babe margins कहते हैं. These are the Babe margins. And these are the nerve endings. Nerve endings. If you praise the Babe margin, suppose someone is having back pain. Okay. You don't do anything. Just keep on this Babe margin for a few minutes and ask the person how you are feeling. How you are feeling. You praise the Babe margin on the hands as well as in the feet. And just do this whole exercise for 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, you ask the person, okay, how are you feeling? He will tell you, doctor, I am feeling good in my lower back. Even I am feeling lightness in my hand. Even I am feeling that I can see little bright. My body is light just by doing the praising the Babe margin. So how can we praise the Babe margin? We can praise the Babe margin with the fingers. Or we can praise the Babe margin with the probe. So we will praise this Babe margin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, we will start from the thumb side. So this will be the first point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So like I will tell you, in my Panchakarma clinic, therapist, when the therapist doing Ayurveda treatment, they usually definitely praise the Babe margin. It is the common practice. It is the common practice. During the Abhyanga treatment, during the massage treatment, they usually praise the Babe margin. See, I praised, see, immediately you will see the result. So you can see the feedback. It is written immediately, I praised as was having the low back pain since the morning, relieved completely now. Thanks, sir. Feeling light. Thank you so much. So this is the microsystem. So what the Dr. Nagata have done, because I was doing the study of Dr. Nagata since long time, I have listened the PNST. Then I seen that Dr. Nagata is really very intelligent person, because he has combined the multiple microsystem all together, and he doing the he is stimulating the multiple microsystem at a time. Great. Feeling much better in the lower back pain now. Thanks a lot. So second feedback. So this is really very good, impressive treatment. So this is the second thing. Just keep on pressing this Babe margin. Suppose we are having lower back pain, so you can give the homework to your patient. See, you can tell your patient, आप अपने patient को ये homework दे सकते हैं कि आपको रोज सुबह उठकर और शाम को सोने के पहले अपने जिंगबेल पॉइंट को और बे मार्जिन को दबाना है, बस 3-3 बार। और ज्यादा हम 3-3 बार दबाएंगे, लेकिन आप पेशेंट को बोल सकते हैं कि उसको तो ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है, तो वो ज्यादा बार दबा सकता है, like 3 to 5 minutes he can do. So this is the first, we are starting from the jingle point, the 10 jingle point in the fingers, the 10 jingle point in the toes. The second will be babe margins. So babe margins, the 4 babe margins here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One day one lady came to me. So I have because I was not having any needles, I was not having any seeds, nothing. She was coughing a lot. Then what to do? Then I taken one leaf. I taken just one leaf. Even I don't remember the plant's name. I cut the leaf and just I put here in this part. Immediately kapha stopped. Okay. Then I turned the leaf in the opposite side. Then she was not feeling much better. Then I turned the leaf in the same way. So this is the proven treatment for the upper part of the body. Now, not only we are thinking this, many other scientists already have this thought. Many scientists, I am telling acupuncture scientists, they are telling this is for upper barmer, this is for middle barmer, and this is for lower barmer, and this is for complete body. Listen again. ये हमारे ऊपर के शरीर के लिए बे मार्जिन है, ये हमारे मध्य के शरीर के लिए बे मार्जिन है, और ये हमारे लोअर बॉडी पार्ट के लिए है। और जब हम इसको दबाते हैं ये संपूर्ण शरीर के लिए है। So in this way, if we are pressing the 4 wave margin here and the 4 wave margin in the feet, it becomes very wonderful treatment. Let's see the points of the feet of the wave margins. So look at this image. So these are the wave margins. The wave margin number 1, the wave margin number 2, the wave margin number 3, the wave margin number 4. See, the first wave margin is excellent point for heart, the wonderful point of heart. Not only for heart, as well as for the blood pressure. Just you press this point. The single point, if you press every day, it will cure all the problem related with the heart. ये जो पहला बिंदु है, ये हार्ट के लिए गजब का पॉइंट है। आप बस इसको प्रेस करके देखिए 3 दिन. Just you press this point for 3 days, it will cure your blood pressure. This is the wonderful point. In the acupuncture, we tell this liver 2, and the liver 2 point is also very good for fallopian tube. Females में अगर fallopian tube में कोई obstruction होता है, if female is having any hormonal problem, so this first wave margin point is the wonderful point. तो पहला जो wave margin का point होता है, ये बहुत ही शानदार point होता है. So just we have to praise for everyone, whether the person having the problem of the heart or not, because nowadays everyone having little or more stress. So this is the very good point. Just you have to press this point 1, 2, 3 times. But suppose your patient is pressing every day this point, then definitely he is not going to come back after a few treatment, because he is going to be perfectly, he is going to receive a very good health. So this is the first point. Now let's talk about the second point. The second point is very wonderful for stomach, for gas, for burping, for acidity, for headache. This is the wonderful point of the headache. So the patient is coming for these problem only. Maybe patient is coming to you for the headache problem, but he is suffering with the gas. So we will cure this problem. Now the third wave margin. The third wave margin is very good. Even I will not tell you the bigger name, but as per the, this is the one of the point we are using in the cancer. This is the one point, like we are having big protocol. In that protocol, this is the one point we are using for cancer. because this point is good for liver and spleen both. This point is wonderful point for liver and spleen. So this point become very wonderful. We can keep on pressing every day. Nowadays, every disease is growing so fast. So we can take the precaution. Even this point is very good for the lower back. In the sujok, we know the lower back, the spine is ending here. This is the ending of a spine in the sujok that we know. And the last point here, this one, this is the very good point for cooling down the liver, even stop the uterine bleeding in the female. If some female is having excessive uterine bleeding, if some female is having excessive menstruation, this will cool down the liver and gallbladder. So this is the wonderful point. So suppose you are working on the head, you are working on the stomach, you are working on the heart, you are working on the liver and gallbladder, uterus, what left? Now, the one point, so in this way, the Babe margin points can never be ignored. You have to praise this point. So whatever your disease having, just praise the Jingwell point and the points of the Babe margin. Then you will see the wonderful effect. Okay, we are pressing these points. So how many points we have covered? We have covered the 10 finger points, the Jingwell points, the 10 finger points, the 10 points on the toes, that is Jingwell points. Then we have covered the points on the Babe margins. So look at here. So first we have covered the Jingwell point, and we have seen the effectiveness of the Jingwell point. Just press 1 to 3 times. Then we have discussed, we have stimulated the Babe margin points. So in this way, how many points we have covered? हमने कितने point cover कर लिए? बताइए, how many points? And if you press 1 to 3 times, then how much time going to take? कितने point cover हुए हमारे? 20 plus 16, 36 point तो अभी हमने estimate कर लिए और हमने संपूर्ण शरीर को ट्रीटमेंट दिया है. Still we are having lots of point left. Still we have to work. Still we have to discuss the point on the head. This is also one microsystem. The point of the back of the head, the point of the side of the head. This is also the microsystem. These are nothing but skull microsystem. So we'll discuss one by one. So now we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so enough for today. Now we will do the more practical tomorrow. What is the last point? What is the last point in foot? In the foot. So we are having 4 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still, this is the basic treatment. We have not reached to the real essence. We are just discussing the basic point, and basic point will give you very good effect in the body. Any question? Yeah, these are the basic points. Just we are focusing on the basic point because these points we have to stimulate for every patient, whatever the problem is. Then we will add the point as per the problem. Suppose someone is telling, doctor, I am having neck pain. Then we will stimulate the point of the neck pain as per the dermatome, which part is coming. We can stimulate once a day or even twice a day. Why we are stimulating both nail tips on the Jingwell? Because the Jingwell points found on the both fingertips, some has told in the Chinese acupuncture, some has been told in the Dr. Bohl acupuncture. So if we combine all the scientists, ultimately all are agree with one concept, that all the fingertips, the each and every corner of the fingertips having Jingwell point. Like if we take the example of middle finger, in the middle finger we are having Jingwell point of the Chinese acupuncture. What is the name? Do you know what is the name in the middle finger? What is the name of Jingwell point found in the middle finger? That is pericardium. But as per the Dr. Boll, that is one another meridian, that is allergy degeneration meridian, that also found in the middle finger. So one side we are having pericardium, another side we are having allergy degeneration meridian. So why we also stimulate the allergy point? Okay, so that's why we are stimulating both the corner. In this way, in the thumb also, we know on the one side we are having lung, on the other side we are having lymph point, the point of the lymphatic circulation. See, no need to put the methi seeds, no need to put the magnets, just do the 3 times prickling, and I definitely it will work very nicely. It is going to work very nicely. Got it? Okay. Fourth, I have explained all the way margins. Fourth, see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the same way, in the legs, great toe, then first toe, 1. In the leg, suppose this is the leg. In the leg also 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same bib margin. Yeah, 3 times is enough because we have stimulated 36 points so far. 36 points. Yeah, kidney 1 we have to press. Also, we have to put kidney 1 point. See, I will tell you one of my friend is doing acupressure, and he created very good results in the paralysis. So I was having lots of curiosity. What is doing? Let's go and see. So I went there to the clinic of one of my friend, and I have seen he just was doing the pressure on the kidney 1 for every patient. Then I asked her, okay, so the secret is kidney 1? Then he told yes. So the secret is kidney 1. Kidney 1 is very good point for multiple problems, including spasticity. If you want to open the spasticity, kidney 1 is very good point. We can do in the both legs. Sure, sure. I will show in the feet. So look at the feet. So this is the first bay margin. This is the second bay margin. This is the third bay margin, and this is the fourth bay margin. So we are having 4 bay margin here. The first is liver 2. The second one is stomach 44. The fourth one is gallbladder 43. See, what I think, like, so I am just a speaker. I am just a passing the knowledge given by some author, and the author has very great experience. On the first I believed that because author has done the treatment for many years and he has got the great results. So first I had faith on the work of author. Then I tried to my patients. I have seen the good results. So I can tell this therapy is very good. Okay, this therapy is very good. This is not developed by me. I am just a like taking the things from one hand and passing to the another hands. I am just a messenger. And technique is really very wonderful. The liver too. Yeah, fourth wave margin is for excessive bleeding. The fourth wave margin is good for excessive bleeding. The liver 1 point and the Jingwell point, liver 1 and spleen 1 is very good for erectile dysfunction. The dysfunction, erectile dysfunction. The spleen 1 and liver 1. What is your question? Could you please guide right lung, middle, right lung? middle lobe on both sides, sometime irritating the right arm to the ring finger. See, for that, so you are having the problem of the dermatome because so look at the image here. So if you look at the ring finger having supply from the cervical 8. You can see here. The ring finger is supplied by the cervical 8. Now, where is the cervical 8 vertebra in the spine? The question, where is the cervical 8 vertebra in the spine? So if we go in the spine, so we are having cervical 8. Cervical 8 vertebra. Now you have to listen me. My tab got discharged. The cervical 8 vertebra found below the whole cervical like C7. So when the whole cervical vertebra get finished, the lowermost part, that is the starting of cervical 8 vertebra. So in that dermatome, you are having some problem. So we have to stimulate the point below the cervical 7. That is called governing vessel 14. Here we have to stimulate that point. That is called 0 point. We will discuss. So till that time, you are having two things. Number one, stimulate the Jingwell point. And number two, press these points. And I will tell you for the lungs, for the whole lung parenchyma, lung 11 is very good point. So lung 11 point also will give the benefit for the lungs. And you can stimulate the 0 point because right now I have not passed the information that how to stimulate the 0 point. It is still left. We are going to discuss later on. So you can stimulate these points, Jingwell and Bay margin. And the third point below the cervical 7, that is governing vessel 14, where cervical 8 is taking origin because you are having pain in the ring finger. The ring finger is connected with the cervical 8. देखिए हम डिसीज का तो हर डिसीज का इलाज सीखेंगे एक एक का मैं अभी कैसे बताऊंगा मुझे तो पहले ट्रीटमेंट सिखाना होगा आई हैव टू टेल हाउ टू ट्रीट द फर्स्ट thing how to treat every disease, how to make the protocol for any disease, either this is a cervical polyp or this is the neck pain or this is the back pain. First we have to do basic treatment. After the basic treatment, then we have to do the specific treatment for that part. Then our treatment, it is going to take some time. I will show you. I will definitely show you in the upcoming session. So kindly give me permission now. Thank you so much. Now see you tomorrow. अब हम कल मिलते हैं, ठीक है? Thank you so much.